If you're someone suffering with neck pain, I'm going to share with you my 4 top exercises. 2 of them are going to be for the thoracic spine, and 2 of them are going to be for the neck to help you alleviate any neck pain that you have. My name is Huang Tran. I'm an occupational therapist and certified hand therapist. And the reason why I'm sharing with you these neck exercises to get rid of your neck pain is because majority of the time patients come to me here at my clinic and they don't necessarily have neck pain, but they start having all tons of problems with their hands and arms, and it all started because at some point or another they had neck pain. So I wanted to share with you so you can avoid having some hand and arm issues, because sometimes it starts here at the neck. Right, so I'm dividing these exercises into 2 segments for you to help you get started getting rid of your neck pain. So oftentimes your neck, right, your cervical spine sits on top of your thoracic spine, and I like to do thoracic movements first because I believe that the order in which you do your exercises makes a difference in terms of how fast you can get some relief. So I like to move the thoracic spine before I start messing around with the neck first, all right? So let's get started. 2 thoracic movements. I like to do twisting. So twisting is going to move your thoracic spine, but it's gonna move all the muscles that hold up your neck, right? So you're gonna twist only to your yummy side. So there's a side that's easy to move into, and there's a side that feels more restricted. You're gonna move into the easy direction, right? Hands on your chest. If you can't do hands on your chest, you can do hands on your belly, right? But whatever you do, don't tighten up and don't go like this. There's a lot of methods, but look, I like to do it easy. I like to make it as easy as possible for you. Hands on your chest, relax some arms, twist to one side, come to the middle, twist to the other side, come to the middle. I don't know if you can see it, but I twist to my left better than to my right. At least that's what it feels like in my body, and I want to teach you to trust your body. So listen to your body. It's telling you what's easier and what's harder. And so towards the easy side, please. And you're going to do that 10 times. Believe it or not, you're going to do 2 sets of 10, and then you can check your neck and see, hey, did my neck feel a little bit looser? You're just looking for increments of improvement, not some magical cure in like 5 seconds, all right? So small increments of improvement. And this tends to help you with your turning of your neck. If you're testing this one, that's the hardest one, so don't test that one yet because that one's not gonna go away first. This one is going to get better before the lateral bend to your neck is gonna get better, all right? So twisting first and then extension. So that's the order that I like to do that has found 90% of the time help people. Every once in a while, it doesn't work in that order, right? So everyone's body is just a little different, and because I'm just sharing it with you, you're gonna have to figure it out for yourself. But this is thoracic extension. Is the easiest way to do it. I'm gonna show you 3 ways to do it. There's 3 ways to do it, believe it or not. The easiest way to do it is actually on your belly. So let me show you what that looks like on your belly. So you're gonna lay on your belly, and then you're gonna prop yourself up like this. And then relax. And lay back down, and then prop yourself up on your belly like this. And lay back down. So laying on your belly and propping yourself up on your elbows, the easiest way to get thoracic extension because gravity is helping you, right? The second way that can be easy that you don't have to lay down for is clasp your hands together, put it behind your neck, let your elbows fall forward, and drive your elbows up to the ceiling. Oh. Drive your elbows up to the ceiling. Right? So that's the second way that you could do it that's the easiest. And the last way is actually the hardest way, and you can use the wall to help you. So let me show you what that looks like. You're gonna clasp your hands, you're gonna put your elbows on the wall, and you're gonna drive your chest forward. Right? Drive your chest forward. That's thoracic extension, but on the wall, and that's probably the hardest one to do, but that's the 3 variations that I wanted to share with you. So those are the 2 thoracic movements that I like the most. And then when it comes to actually doing things for your neck to relieve neck pain, here are my 2 favorite ones. So it's called the chin tuck. And so you want to make sure that you're looking forward so your chin is down, and you're going to you put your 2 fingers like this. You're going to tuck your chin all the way back, like you're getting a turtleneck, right? Trying to make yourself have a double chin. Let me see if I'm doing that correct. Like this, so you can see it, right? I'm gonna do those. Now, if you're really, really tight, you might not be able to go as far as you see me doing it. I'm very loosey-goosey, and I have a lot of neck motion. So after you do that one, you can do those for 10 reps, and you only want to go where you don't have pain. You want to push it right up to the spot where you're feeling the tension, but you don't want to have pain. Because if you have pain, you might be doing it wrong. So I've shared videos like this before, but if you're doing it wrong, then go find a trusted therapist that can help you make sure you're doing it the correct way and not causing more damage, all right? So it looks easy, but every time I work with my patients, I have to like help them do it, because a lot of times we're looking up, or you know, they're just not going back as far, so then they're not feeling the results, right? So once you get your chin tucks and they look better and they feel better and you're not tight, then you're gonna do neck extension, which is way more advanced. It's a lot more advanced, so don't do this if it causes you pain. But it's one of my favorite things to do when I feel like I have some neck pain coming up because I've been overly active or anything like that. So you can do your chin tucks first, like 10 times. And once you feel loose, you can tuck it back just a little bit, tuck it back just a little bit, and then do neck extension. That's a full neck extension. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you're closing your mouth, and that's why I'm going to talk with my mouth clenched like this. Not biting hard. I just don't want to be like, I'm not catching flies, all right? So, mouth closed, chin back, and look all the way up, and then come back down, right? That is neck extension, and it's definitely more advanced, but let me tell you, every single time it can really help you with your neck pain. Of course, the order in which you do things, the intensity in which you do it makes a big difference in feeling and seeing the results. So if you're not really sure if you're doing it right, or you have more of an issue and you're not really sure what to do, find a trusted occupational therapist or physical therapist in your local area that can help you with this problem. The reason why I'm sharing it again is, as an occupational therapist and certified hand therapist, a lot of my, you know, carpal tunnels, cubital, like all these hand and arm problems, sometimes they all can result from neck issues that are unresolved. And so if you have some neck issues, definitely go to a trusted occupational therapist or physical therapist that can help you get to the root cause and get rid of your neck pain. But besides getting rid of your neck pain, they're going to teach you what to do so you can make sure that anytime this happens again, you know exactly what to do, all right? If you like videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you have any comments, then feel free to leave them below. I cannot give personalized medical advice, but your comments can help me create more videos like this to help you figure out what's going on and what type of help is available for you out there. All right, thanks for tuning in and watching. Until next time, peace out.